We're in Saughall, Massie. It's February 2023 and we're on Thomas Brassey's bridge. Thomas Brassey was a Victorian engineer, built lots of bridges, railways, etc. He's buried at Liverpool Anglican Cathederal with a huge monument tomb for him. This is a bit about his history and about the bridge. And this is the bridge. Sadly they put gas and utility pipes across it, but a nice little bridge. Sandstone sides, nice curved arch, all did in the 18th century. New road they put up there so the traffic doesn't have to use it now. The other side, still in good nick. Little stream. Must be fantastic to have something still here so long after you've died. Come and visit Saughall Massie Bridge, Saughall Massie, Wirral. Not far from the M53. And this at the time would be all open fields, now all housing. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, come and visit. Bye for now.